standing here right by your side. I will be standing here till the end of time. I will be standing here all through the night, till the stars align. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die, so come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. Come and fly away, come and fly away, come and fly away with me.
Hello everyone. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the little bell to notify you when I put new videos out. Another mystery death of a child in Texas. This story happened on July 28, 2022. The 7-year-old boy had been missing for about 2 to 3 hours when he was found in the family washing machine in the garage. Okay, yes, I know I said I would speak about the 12-year-old girl from Alabama today. I've not forgotten her or any of the rest of these little angels. But I came across this story this morning and found it just as odd as the rest of them. Let me start by saying no arrests have been made as of the time of this report. It was made 5 days ago. Troy Koehler, age 7, was reported missing around 4:30 a.m. on the 28th of July, about an hour and a half after his parents called 911 to say he was missing. The reports say that the constables searched the neighborhood and with no avail returned to research the house more extensively. That is when they found Troy's lifeless body in the machine. At that point, they called in the coroner and homicide. They separated the parents and escorted them to the department, which is a normal action when investigating a death. Ellie State, when asked at the press conference if they thought foul play was involved, they said no comment. To that, and almost every other question asked, including, did the washer have water in it? Was the lid open or closed? Officer Minshew stated at the press conference that whether he was killed by the washer or killed and put in the washer, we're just so far from that. He also said, we don't know what happened, but we intend to find out. Troy was a foster child in this home, and in 2019 was adopted by these parents. And as of 5 days ago, the bio parents of Troy had not been notified, and will not be notified until the adoption papers are gone over and to see what type of adoption there was. Guys, these are so many of these horrific things happening to these children. We all have got to pray harder, because if not, who's going to be left for tomorrow? Say prayers, guys.